Hannah can paint a room in 15 hours. Destiny can paint the same room in 9 hours. Let me get a color here. How long does it take for both Hannah and Destiny to paint the room if they're working together? Okay, so we know Hannah is in 15. Let's just go ahead and write that down. Hannah is 15. Destiny can do it in 9. And now we're wondering how long does it take both of them together. So together we don't know. So when we're doing this kind of problem, we can set it up. Takes Hannah 15, Destiny 9, and then together is the time we don't know. So if they're working together, we don't know how long it takes, and so we'll just put X there. So then once we're at this point, we multiply by the LCD. So in this case, I can see 15 and 9 are going to have a common factor of 3. So I know 15 equals 3 times 5, 9 equals 3 squared. So I know the LCD then needs to have 3 squared times 5. Okay, so 9 times 5, or 45, will be the LCD. And X, since there was an X there. So it's nice, at least we don't have to multiply 15 times 9 and get such a big number. If you do it that way, it'll still work out. You'll just have to simplify. So multiply everything by 45x. So every term needs to be multiplied by that 45x. And then we're just going to cancel. So 15 goes into 45 3 times. 15 is just left with 1, so 3x times 1, we just get 3x. Here the 9 cancels. I'm left with 5x times 1, so just plus 5x, equals the x cancels here, so equals 45. Then I have 8x equals 45. Divide by 8 on both sides, so x equals 45 over 8. Now on this problem, if I were doing this one, I would just look at the directions and see, does it say this needs to be in decimal form or as a mixed number? And it doesn't, so I would just leave it here. But it is good to get into the habit of labeling. So 45 over 8 hours. One I did too could be to put it as a decimal, just so you can look at it and make sure it makes sense. So 45 divided by 8 is 5.625 hours. So does it make sense that if one of them does it in 15, the other does it in 9? Yeah, it's going to be for sure less time if they do it together. So I think that seems reasonable.